Well, welcome back to Mr. Cliff's workshop, and today we're going to build a floating picture frame holder. We're going to build one, maybe two, and we're going to use some 2x4s, and we're going to strip those down and try to make it all out of 2 pieces of lumber. That's it?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so we've got our pieces cut, we've got them all kind of fitted up, and now we're gluing it. So how long does this take? About an hour or two? Maybe in the cold weather.
More.
So we'll come out an hour and a half maybe and check it out. And then probably round off any corners that look like they'll be
too sharp.
You know, too sharp or not look good. And then we'll stain it. So we'll let this dry and then we'll go on to the next phase.
Okay, I have them all sanded and ready for some stain, so I'm going to put this ebony stain on it. It's a fast drying stain, so should be good in an hour, but it's already nighttime, so I'm going to put this on, and then tomorrow when Cliff gets home from work, we can hang them up on the wall. Let's go. right, so there they are, the two beautiful shelves. For those of you that don't know, I'm an artist. I am a wood stain and ink artist. So these are all done on wood, and I needed somewhere to put my art instead of stacking it up and having it get ruined. I needed somewhere to put my art while I'm waiting for it to sell. So we decided, well, we'll just put it up on the walls. And then as it sells, we'll just change it out with other art pieces. So thank you, Cliff, for making my shelves for me. Mm-hmm. And I'm sure there'll be many more that we need to make. Put them up through the house.
Yeah, I'll put one of those little cards off in the top corner somewhere, and then I'll put a link to her website in the description. And she does have a YouTube channel, and that's at the bottom of my homepage. There's a link to her page, and you can go, her channel rather, you can go check it out.
Yeah, it's called Art by Trish Stark. So if you want to check it out and see some more art and see me creating it, you can go there.